I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I got a little bit of different kind of drilling to do today. I'm going to do step drilling. So I thought I'd give you a quick run on that. I got the box tube drilled last night. Now it's time to do the two plates. Trying to drill through both of them at the same time and hit the mark. It's possible, but my setup isn't the greatest. This is 1/4 inch plate steel instead of that 1/8 inch wall box tube. So I'm going to go down stepping the drills. I'm going to take this 3/8 and then I'm going to go through it with a 5/8 and then I'm going to take the 3/4 through it. Well, there's one done. The other one goes exactly the same. Well, wearing a flannel shirt probably wasn't the best idea for cranking that drill press. Thought I wore a sweatshirt yesterday. About the same deal. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.